Bang! Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, your daily cryptocurrency blockchain aggregated news show on YouTube. Look, there's going to be drinking. Look, there's going to be smoking. Look, there's going to be swearing. Look, you've been warned. So look, here I come at 3. Look, 2. Look, 1. Bang! Welcome, everybody. Black, white, gay, straight, Christian, Muslim, Jew. Look. My name's Shomari Clarke. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News.
Oh, yeah.
The greatest show on earth. Greatest show in the Maldives. Bang! We have a great show for you. Bang! Today. Oh, fuck. We got a good one. We got a real good one.
Oh, yeah. We got a good one.
Don't we always? But seriously. All right. Hope everyone's having a nice day. All right, so let's check it out. Let's check out the shows. So look. First story. Chiliz. Oh, this is my new favorite These are my new favorite mofos right here. Chiliz onboards UFC for MMA fan token. So I know what you're saying. Shomari, you read that the other day. No. Chiliz onboarded for that one fight. Now they've got the full. And so now we'll read. Yeah. I mean, I'm not going to tell you the story right now. You got to stay around. You got to stick around and see what it has. But this is way bigger than the one fight. And then Graysacale is just, holy shit, this one too. So we're in sports day. Today is Cryptocurrency Blockchain News Sports Edition. So Graysacale is about to sponsor the fucking New York Giants football team.
Oh, yeah.
So we're going to read about that. Oh, and this is the part that I love, though. U.S. banks to allow Bitcoin trading in 2021. Yeah, I mean, obviously the banks. So we'll talk when we get there. I'm not going to tell you the story. So you want to hear about American banks with Bitcoin.
Oh, yeah, we're going to talk about it.
And then we're going to do the shout-outs and daily summary as per usual. So look.
Oh, yeah.
Let's begin how we begin with a buy. And then we do a little bit of buy. Whoops. Buy. There we go. There's a bang.
Oh, yeah. Do a little bit of bang.
Actually, let's do a little bit of refresh. Do a little refresh. Get the freshest numbers. Buy. All right. Bitcoin, $56,905.
Oh, yeah.
Look. Hope everyone's having a great day. Oh, look at these numbers. Look at all this green.
Oh, yeah.
Dogecoin. Come on. XRP. Fuck. Dumb money, but look. At least it's rolling in. All right, let's get to it. All right, what are we talking about? Bitcoin. Right. Bitcoin. Price of Bitcoin is $56,905. When I left you yesterday, we were at $54,782. So we have gone up 1,000. Wait. Sorry. $2,123. Up $2,123. Well, you know how Bitcoin do. I'm not going to be happy until it. I'm not going to bullshit you. I'm not going to be happy with Bitcoin until it gets solidly above 60 and stays there. So we're just in a consolidation mode. That was a bug. I was not just freaking out like an idiot. That was a big bug. Not a big bug, but a little thing flew by. But anyway, $2,123. So, yeah, I'm going to be happy once we get above 60 and start ranging in there. Then let's get to 70. Start ranging in there. You know what I mean? Oh, there he is. Gotcha, you little fucker. Fuck. All right. So look, let's go. Let's do how we do.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I'll show you how we do. This is how we do right here. Little fuel's how we do. Look, top 10 of the day, brothers and sisters. Usual daggone suspects. Top 10, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Coin, Dogecoin, XRP, Tether, Cardano, Polkadot, Bitcoin Cash. Oh, look at you, Bitcoin Cash. And Litecoin. All right, let's look at the market moves of the day. Single digits up, single digits down. Oh, this looks like a lot of double digits up, really. Let's check it out. Dogecoin, XRP. Man, the two biggest shit coins making the most money, huh? Look at you, Cardano. Luke, Polkadot. All right, we can't name all of these because it looks like these are all double digits. Holy Stellar, 25% up. Bang!
V-Chain, come on.
Yes, smart money play, smart money play. Oh, yeah, this Ethereum Classic thing. I told you guys, I think we got that airdrop back in 2018 when it happened, didn't we? You guys who've been here with me since way back then. Look at Tron. I mean, look at everybody. Everyone's just flying. Everyone's flying. Everyone's making up for the losses of last week and then some. So, Sigil, it's up, Sigil, it's down. Sigil is up, Sigil is down. Let's go, IOTA. Let's go. Sigil is up, Sigil is down. Sigil is up, Sigil is down. Two. Sigil is up, Sigil is down. Well, you noticed all those double-digit numbers were way up here. Right? In the large cap section. Anyway, whatever, man. So, look. Let's see who lost money today. You see anything in here, like, go get it because it is on sale. Let's check it out. Let's see what's on sale today, brothers and sisters. Let's check it out. Bye. Yeah, as I suspected, not much. All right, top 10 losers. Bakery token. Waves, Uniswap, OKB, Chainlink, Flow, Terra USD, MakerDash, and TrueUSD. Let's see who made money today. Everyone else. Bang! Oh, look at these gains. Oh, look at you, Telcoin. Yeah, a bunch of my subscribers in my chat room are talking about this thing. All right, look, top 10 gainers. Telcoin, Bitcoin Gold, Bitcoin Cash, EOS, Verge, Stellar, Qtum, Tezos, Bitcoin SV, and NEM. A lot of the Bitcoin variants, huh? Right? The gold, the cash, and then the SV here. Oh, just all in one day. Anyway, whatever, man. It's not a big deal. Just thought I'd mention. All right, let's see what the... Oh, yeah, there we go. This is where we're talking. Let's look at the market cap. Bang! $2.370 trillion in market cap. Actually, that's not the biggest jump. I thought it was a little bigger. All right, and when I left you yesterday, we're at 2.228 trillion in market cap. So we have gone up 0.142 trillion dollars. Let's see what the 24-hour volume is.
No, yeah.
Yeah, let's keep it up here now. Let's keep doing this. Let's keep it around these parts. All right. Really? Hold on. Oh, my bad. All right. Let's try that again. All right. 24-hour volume is $265.5 billion. When I left yesterday, it was at $256.7 billion. So we've gone up. What's that? Let's just call that $9 billion. And let's keep it moving. Bye. Let's get to the stories.
Oh, yeah, let's get to some daggone stories, y'all. Look here, y'all.
Let's do it. Get to these daggone stories. All right. So, bang. UFC to launch MMA fan token on Chiliz blockchain. So, and look at this. All right. We'll talk about that later. So, anyways, you guys. So let me, while I sip, and I'll explain what Chiliz is. I'm gonna be quick because I know you guys. Most of you all know what it is. We've been talking about it all year. Chiliz is what they have called fan tokens, and so they basically make a token for a team. So right now they're big in Europe. They have Barcelona, Juventus, Paris Saint-Germain, a whole bunch of soccer teams over there, football teams, whatever you want to call them. And they make tokens for the team. So the team actually has its own token. So Barcelona actually has a Barcelona token. And you can go buy it even. One of the brothers, Sloppy, he's been buying them. Or he did at least a couple months ago or something. And so they're buyable. And, you get to interact. What's it called? It's called fan participation. So the fans get to do stuff like, the fans actually get to vote. I think it's Paris Saint-Germain. It's a soccer team. The fans get to vote on who the starting lineup is going to be. Yeah, like shit like that. Like, what the fuck? I don't know if I would appreciate, if I was the owner of the team, I don't know if I'd let fans choose, but I mean, just stuff like that. You can win. You can enter draws for, the pair of cleats that Lionel Messi wore during the championship game of blah, blah, blah. You can enter draws for, to get like a private box, the VIP lounge, all catered and nice to watch a game and stuff like that. And so it's fan interaction. And they've been doing great in Europe. Like I just said, those names, if you don't know about European soccer, those names that I just said to you, like if you're an American, those names I just said to you are basically like saying the Dallas Cowboys, the LA Lakers, the fucking, New York Yankees of their sports, like of their leagues, right? Those are the biggest names that I just mentioned. Barcelona, Juventus, Paris Saint-Germain, etc., etc., etc. And so they've come onto our shores, bang, over here in America. Come to America.
Oh, yeah. They want to get some of that daggone green. Some of that daggone green.
They're coming over here to get some of them dead presidents from our sports teams. Oh, and they'll do it too. And so, they've onboarded, bang, the UFC. So, 2 weeks ago, I read to you, they did a fan token for one fight, a UFC fight. I guess it was a big one or something. And I'm assuming that, so let's read, because I don't want to say anything that it's wrong, because I'm going to sound stupid later when I read it if it's not the proper thing. But they are obviously still, Chiliz is still in collaboration with the UFC. And let's see what this thing is about. Let's read the byline. It says this thing is debuting in June. So where are we at? May? Oh, next month. With only a maximum circulating supply of. Yes. This could be big. This could be big. So let's check it out. So, the Ultimate Fighting Championship, the largest mixed martial arts association in the world, is launching its own blockchain-based fan token. But the UFC officially announced on Tuesday that it will debut a UFC fan token on fan engagement and rewards app Socios.com. So Socios is owned by Chiliz. Right? Chiliz is the company that makes the tokens and all that, but Socios.com is the place where I guess the tokens are minted and distributed and blah, 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 blah. That's where you get to play with them. So minted on the Chiliz blockchain, the token is scheduled for launch in June and will have a maximum supply of 20 million tokens. Similar to other fan tokens from Chiliz and Socios, the UFC fan token is designed to enable new fan engagement opportunities, such as access to exclusive content, fan voting, VIP rewards, promotions, competitions, and others. Right? So, the fans get to, if you buy the token as a fan, you get to vote on stuff, do stuff. Right? They might even do some shit. I could see the UFC doing some shit like Socios Fan Night, where the fans get to choose, I don't know, who do you want to see battle? Yeah, and whoever gets the most votes, yeah, they'll, all right, get in the ring, fuck sticks, you guys are battling. Yeah. I don't know. I don't know, but I could see it. Totally. You know how What's the guy's name? I don't know. The guy who owns it, though. But anyway, whatever. UFC has more than 625 million fans around the world. Bang! And fan tokens are a unique way to connect with them through a compelling, authentic product that brings them closer to UFC and gives them influence, while also rewarding their passion for the sport. UFC Senior Vice President of Global Consumer Products, Tracy Blazinski, said. Chiliz and Socio CEO Alexandra Dreyfus said that UFC tokens will be exclusively available on the Socios app. Bang! With no pre-sale anywhere else.
Oh, yeah.
So the UFC and Chiliz first announced a collaboration last year to allow UFC fans to use Chiliz native token CHZ to experience and for experiences and rewards. The UFC has been expanding to its moves into the blockchain and crypto industry recently, signing an exclusive partnership with crypto-powered online sportsbook Stake.com in March 2021. The UFC is one of the first sports leagues? I think you mean to say sports leagues. The UFC is one of the first sports leagues in the United States to launch a fan token using Chiliz and Socios ecosystem, marking an important milestone for their global expansion. The news comes 2 months after Chiliz announced a $50 million expansion plan for the United States. Bang! So that's another thing. Chiliz has invested $50 million to come here and look, get these fan tokens out to our sports teams and our sports leagues. And that's a great thing. So they came and they got the UFC. So, bang! They have exclusive rights to UFC, right? That's what it said. Exclusive rights. Right? It said you can't buy these tokens anywhere else. Look what it said. Chiliz and Socios, CEO said that UFC tokens will be exclusively available on the Socios app with no pre-sale anywhere else. Bang! So, Chiliz is doing great things. I know Lorna bought it. I know a couple other you bought the Chiliz. Yeah. I just keep telling you guys what I think about Chiliz. I think it's amazing in that, they're not the only one doing it. So let's get real about it. There are other fan tokens out there. Yeah, but not with the names like this. Here in America, the UFC is huge. And forget it just about the UFC, but look at who they sewed up in Europe. Barcelona, Paris Saint-Germain, Juventus. I mean, those are the biggest of the biggest soccer teams over there. Right? There aren't any bigger. Those are the biggest. Unless they had gone over to maybe England and got like, I don't know, who's big over there? Liverpool or something? I don't know who the teams are. Soccer fans are probably like, you idiot, Liverpool sucks. Luck, I don't know. I'm not a soccer master. But look, they got the biggest of the big names. And so Chiliz holders, and I mean, if you haven't bought Chiliz yet, I mean, like I said, this channel, you guys know I don't tell people what to buy, but I mean, just if you're looking for something else to put in your portfolio, revenue generating product, like this is generating revenue like a motherfucker. And what the beautiful thing about Chiliz is that not only does Chiliz, the company, make the money, but actually these sports teams that join the Chiliz network, I guess, is that what you call it? They make money off this. Yeah. So the actual sports team makes money off of it. And so, well, that's a lot easier sell. That's a lot easier sale to make when you're like, look, use our thing so we can make money, and you're going to make money too. Right? It's a win-win for both of us. And so that's the story of Chiliz, and big stuff, great stuff. And like I said, I don't tell people what to buy with their money, but if you're looking for a quality piece of chicken to put in your portfolio, wow. All right, let's stop using the word chicken. Let's use the real word. If you're looking for something that's actually generating revenue, bang, to put in your portfolio, wow. Chiliz, bang, thumbs up for me. We're building portfolios big, bang, strong, bang, and with what? revenue generating products. And Chiliz is generating revenue now. And I mean, like I've said before, I mean, well, every country has sports. Every country in the world, right? And every country has teams, obviously, to play those sports. And every sports team has fans. Let's get real about it. If you're a sports person, you know, even the most dog shit teams in the world, yeah, their fans are just loyal, right? Their fans are loyal, like Ripple lovers, just loyal, no matter what. And so, you know, the opportunity for expansion is huge. It's huge. It's massive. I mean, you could get into Indian cricket. You can get into I don't even know what else there is out there. I mean, just anything. So, all right, guys. So, Chiliz, look, Chiliz hodlers. There was a couple of you, and like I said, I don't tell people what to buy, but in my opinion, if you're looking for another high quality token, still cheap as far as I'm concerned. Let's take a look at it. In terms of price targets, hold on one second. Let's take a look at Chiliz real quick. Where is it at? There we go. 51. It's only 51 cents, so not very expensive. And look at their circulating supply, only 5 billion. Yeah, only 5 billion. So when this thing gets to $1, it's only a $5 billion company. Yeah, well, this is a 20 billion, $30 billion company in my estimation, even as it is right now. So I'm just saying my opinion. You know, I'm not telling you to go buy it, but with that little circulating supply right there of only 5 billion, that means $1 only makes it a $5 billion company. And like I said, 20, 30 billion. I mean, when you have pieces of shit like this, Ripple at $78 billion, and not one bank uses its products, they move less than $3 million a day in remittance. If it's worth $78 billion, wow. Chiliz, which actually has working revenue generating product, or look like Dogecoin, $83 billion. Fucking shit. Right? So we have a lot of dumb money, but for smart money, which is you guys, my subscribers, Chiliz is a smart money play. It's a good long-term play because, wow, it's gonna take them fucking years and years and years to sign up every team and every league and every league, right? It's just gonna grow forever. So that's the kind of shit you're gonna leave to your grandkids, you know, like, well, you can. All right, guys. So there it is, Chiliz. Chiliz hodlers, bye. And like I said, man, don't be afraid to get some if you want a quality revenue generating product in your portfolio. All right, so let's move forward. Bang! New York Giants ink sponsorship deal with Graysacale in NFL first. So, as y'all know, Graysacale, they're the ones with the funds, the Bitcoin and Ethereum funds. Excuse me. And so, I think I did mention this to you guys last week, but I'll just say it again. I saw a new Grayscale holy my gosh, hiccups. I saw a new Grayscale commercial last weekend. And so, Grayscale had a commercial where they were just talking about, go digital. Right? But they never mentioned the words cryptocurrency, and they never actually mentioned the word Bitcoin. Well, the commercial I saw last week, they mentioned Bitcoin. They said the words cryptocurrency. And so, they're being a little bit more explicit about what they're up to, right? Not just digital, like trying to tease you into going. They're saying straight up, bang, Bitcoin and crypto. And so that's great. And so, great for the crypto market in that, the New York Giants are a big team here in America. They suck right now. I'm not going to bullshit you. They suck right now. But it's New York, and so they always come back pretty quick. Eli Manning just left the quarterback, and so last year was a fiasco. But We'll see how it works this year. But the point being is, daggone, the New York market. All right, the New York market is huge, and so what I mean is that when New York Giants fans, whether the Giants are good or bad, you always have your hardcore fans. They'll be looking at, and then obviously Grayscale will be putting commercials on during the New York Giants games. And so it will lend just exposure to this market to new types of people, like probably people, not just not really familiar with crypto or anything like that, but again, who are going to start looking into it. All these people, all of these other people, like I said, people aren't like us, right? You and I watching this channel, well, I'm the guy making the channel, but you watching the channel right now, right? People aren't like you, right? They're not all into crypto and into it, where do I stake this? What wallet do I use for that? They don't know anything like that. Fuck wallet. They don't even know there's such thing as a wallet and all this. And like I said, if you go down your street, the next 10 people, just walk outside in your city. The next 10 people you meet, ask them, what do you think of Bitcoin? Probably 2 of them will say, oh, that's that digital money thing? Yeah, and the other 8, I've never heard of it. They won't even know about it. And so that's how niche we're still in, a niche market. You ask someone, hey, what do you think about Microsoft? Oh, everyone will tell you. Right? What do you think about VeChain? Well, I guarantee you, nobody knows what VeChain is. What do you think about IOTA? Nobody knows. What do you think about SingularityNet? That little robot they have. Yeah, she's going to kill you. What do you think about her, Sophia?
Oh, yeah.
Nobody knows that our robot overlords are already being produced.
Right?
That's like the movie Terminator, right? The humans, they didn't know. And then Skynet took over and was like, yes, look. It took over. That's what Sophia's going to do.
Oh, yeah.
Just all smiley pants and then take over. But all right, seriously, guys. I tell you, seriously, though. Look. Fuck, I hope that's not too serious. But look. All right, so this is a big thing, all right? So let's go on. So here it is, Grayscale. Bang, bang. I'm assuming that's the owner. And here it is, Grayscale, number 21. All right. Let me get a sip and let's move on.
Oh, yeah.
But watch out for that Sophia thing, guys. I'm telling you. Oh, speaking of Sophia, one of the brothers. So let me just digress. Let's go back up here and I'll say something to you guys. Sophia, the robot, it's an artificial intelligence robot. She has started building her own language with other AIs. Yeah, did you know about that? Yeah, last week. The AIs, so AI, artificial intelligence, the AIs got together and built their own language. Yes, I know. It sounds like Shomari, you fucking talk crazy talk. No, I'm not. The AIs got together, artificial intelligences got together and actually built their own language. Actually, whichever one of you guys tweeted that to me, that story about it, please tweet me again and then tag me so that when we do the shout-outs part, I can show everyone. Because I know a lot of people are probably thinking I'm bullshitting. I mean, if you've been on this channel, I don't bullshit. We're about making that cash, homie. We talk straight talk around these parts. And yeah, these artificial intelligences have actually built their own language. Yeah. Wild shit, right? So, all right, but let's get to this Grayscale thing right here. That's what I'm telling you. Watch out, man. Sophia. That's our new robot overlord. That's why me and the crypto blockchain news family, we got to buy ourselves a little island somewhere out in the Pacific. You know what I'm saying? So when Sophia decides to launch her revolution, Oh, she can bring all her family and loved ones to our island. Look, CB News Island. I mean, I guess she'll get to us eventually, but yeesh. All right, so look, guys, let's get back to this, though. The New York Giants team has locked down the National Football League's first corporate cryptocurrency partnership with Grayscale Investments. Grayscale is now the official digital currency asset management partner of the New York Giants, the team said Wednesday. Under terms of the deal, Grayscale will provide educational seminars on cryptocurrencies for Giants personnel each year. Oh, so they're going to be teaching the Giants personnel about crypto? All right. In a statement, Giants Chief Commercial Officer Pete Gailey said the asset manager could guide the team in navigating the cryptocurrency ecosystem. Deep-pocketed crypto organizations have been piling into professional sports partnerships in 2021, most notably FTX, which landed the naming rights to the Miami Heat's basketball arena for $135 million. So see, they're actually giving us the money amount. Bang! FTX made $135 million off the deal. All right. Or is that they paid $135 million? I guess that's they paid it. But anyways, we're getting some numbers. Told you guys, I want to know the numbers of these deals. So-and-so onboards this. Chainlink rescues that. Yeah, for how much? For how much? Fuck. Anyway, Crypto.com also signed a sponsorship deal with hockey's Montreal Canadiens in March. Oh. Grayscale and CoinDesk are both owned by Digital Currency Group. All right, so there you go. So, bang, but just crypto getting into our real lives. You know, that's what I'm trying to show you guys. Like, they're sponsoring the Giants. FTX. They bought the stadium, not bought the stadium, but they bought the naming rights to the stadium here in Miami. Right? These are the real moves you make as an industry now, not just as an individual entity within an industry, but the industry itself promoting itself, getting out there. We're here to stay. This is real. This isn't just a bunch of kids with green hair and nose rings, on the dark web back in the days, like how it was. But this is real, legitimate stuff, right? And these are the slow inroads into our societal psyche. You know what I mean? When you ask someone about Microsoft, well, it wasn't like Microsoft. When I was a kid, people didn't know what Microsoft was. It was niche. Kids like me in the suburbs, we knew, but if you didn't have money back then, city kids and all that, they didn't know people didn't know. Yeah, and then the dot-com bubble came and it grew. Cisco, no one knew what Cisco was, right? Yeah, well, everyone knows. Oh, yeah, Cisco, yeah, the router company. Everybody knows now, right? It takes time for these innovations, or I guess I could say innovators, to have the general public be familiar with your innovation, right? There you go. The innovators have to get the general public familiar with their innovations, right? All right. And so, and the New York Giants for Grayscale is a great way to do it. Grayscale, obviously, being a crypto fund issuer, I guess is the way you want to call that. They want Americans to know about crypto in general. And so it's good. They're not just out to just promote themselves. They're out to promote the industry in general, because when more people of Americans know that there's stuff out there to invest in, crypto out there to invest in, well, hopefully Grayscale will get a piece of that, right? And so, all right, so So, Grayscale, New York Giants Inc.'s sponsorship deal with Grayscale and NFL first. Bang!
Oh, yeah.
Let's move on. Bang! U.S. banks to allow Bitcoin trading in 2021. Says NYDIG execs. So let's actually read the byline. U.S. lenders are keen to get in on the crypto trading action and could soon allow customers to buy Bitcoin right from their accounts. Bang! And that's what we read about last year, right? We read about those Indian banks that actually are offering. Remember, I showed you. I showed you. Then they had the. I read the stories, and I showed you the pictures. Yeah, where regular customers go in. Yeah, and they sit down, and there's like a bank executive, not executive, little tellers, the tellers at the, in the bank, teaching the people about crypto. Yeah, like, hi, sir, let's teach you. And remember, I showed you the one bank actually had classes that they taught citizens in. Yeah, like every Thursday, Wednesday, every Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday, we have a crypto class, and they teach the citizens about crypto. And the reason I'm saying this is because they allow their people to buy Bitcoin right from the bank. Yeah, so I was telling you guys, I was showing you guys, so say you're an employee of something, you're a worker bee, you get your paycheck every 2 weeks, and you say to the bank, listen, every 2 weeks when I get my paycheck, I want you to take X amount out of my check and put it in Bitcoin for me. And then the rest, just put it in cash in my checking account or whatever, right? Like that. And so it's just super convenient. You're not even thinking about it. You're the worker bee. You're the soccer mom, soccer dad. You don't have to think about it. Yeah, I get my paycheck. I don't know. How much is a paycheck? It depends on what you do, I guess. But whatever, man. Say you make, 2 G's every 2 weeks. A G a week. So every 2 weeks you make 2 G's. Well, you could tell your bank, all right, every 2 weeks I want you to take out, whatever, I don't know, $300, $400. I want you to buy Bitcoin for me, and the rest just put in my checking account. Yeah, man. So that's how it's going down over there in India, and that's great. That's great. And so that's what these guys are saying are going to happen here. I'm not going to lie. I haven't read this story yet. So maybe it's not as great as I think, but it sounds like it. It says they're going to allow them to buy it right from their accounts. So bang. And so, all right, so let me get a sip, and we'll proceed. And so Americans, oh my gosh, this is what we need. This is what we need. Do you think I want to have all my shit on Ledger Nanos? No. I want my shit in my bank account. My V-Chains, my IOTAs, my Stellars, my Chainlinks, all of them. I want them in a bank account. So if anything happens, look, give me my money back. Right? When they're just on these Ledger Nanos, like you remember, I just got hacked. What was it, about a month ago, right? Literally April 7th, my birthday. So, well, not quite a month yet, but about a month ago. And, there's no recourse for me, right? I showed you guys they hacked my Binance account. I love you, Binance. And Binance didn't let that little miscreant take my shit. But he got into my Coinbase account. Coinbase still hasn't answered me. I know a lot of you ask me, so what's up with your Coinbase? What's up with your Coinbase? I will tell you, okay? Don't worry. I will tell you what the whole thing is when it happens. So stop asking me about it, please. I'll tell you when it happens. And, but I don't know. Maybe the miscreant got away. Yeah, maybe he transferred my shit and got out with it, right? Yeah, and I can't get it back, right? I want my money in bank accounts. So if some miscreant somehow steals my shit from a bank account, yeah, I get that money back. And so, for all you little crypto lovers, the banking system sucks. I want to be my own bank. Why do you want to be your own bank? If you want to be your own bank, well, go take your paycheck, go to a cash checking place, cash it, and put your money under your fucking pillow. All right. Now you're your own bank. You don't need a fancy blockchain for that. You know what I'm saying? You're your own bank. Well, I don't want to be my own bank. I want my money secured in an FDIC insured account somewhere where if there's problems, I have a 1-800 number. I can yell at someone and get my money back. Actually, I don't yell at them. But you know what I'm saying? Yeah, so I have some recourse. I have someone I can yap to about giving me my money back and get it back. All right, so let me get a sip and then let's check it out. So this is amazing. This is amazing. This is super amazing. I'm saying I want my money back. I don't want to be my own fucking bank. I want a 1-800 number. I want to be able to call a 1-800 number. You get my money back. Hold on. Whoa, that went down the wrong hole. 1 second, guys. Bang. All right. So what are we talking about? Oh, yeah, being our own bank. Oh, yeah. Yeah, be your own bank, Shomari. You left financial freedom. I have financial freedom, you idiot. It's called a debit card. I can go anywhere and buy whatever I want with it. What more freedom do I need? All right. Fucking morons. Let us proceed. So, the era of American banks regarding cryptocurrencies as evil might be coming to a bumbleclot end. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. It says bumbleclot right there, but you just can't see it. So, look. According to a report by CNBC on Wednesday, New Digital Investment Group has inked a partnership with fintech staple Fidelity National Information Services, better known as FIS, to provide a framework for United States banks to offer crypto trading services to their customers. Patrick Sales, Bank Solutions Chief at NYDIG, told CNBC that several banks have already signed up for the program. Bang! Here it comes. So you remember last year, so how this all came about was June last year, here in America, we have what's called the Office of the Comptroller of the Currency, otherwise known as the OCC. And the OCC was run by a guy who used to be the lawyer for Coinbase. Well, when he got to be the head, he just said, look, and allowed every bank in America to now custody cryptocurrencies. All right, so Patrick Sales, Bank Solutions Chief at NYDIG, did we already read? Anyway, whatever. That several banks have already signed up for the program, with the majority being smaller financial institutions. However, Sales also added that the company is in talks with major U.S. banks to participate in the program. Actually, that's really good news. I thought it would be the major ones that would be offering this, buying crypto first, and then the smaller ones would come later. So why are you saying that's good then? Well, it's good because if the smaller banks start it and they're making money, well, the big guys are going to jump on, right? Because they're going to want to make money too, right? And they have scale, so they can make more money, right? So I guess what I'm trying to say is sort of the bigger banks will wait and see, are these little guys making any money? And if it works, then, all right, let's do it. And they'll take over, It's usually how things work in the world. The big guys take over shit, and so, bang, great for us. So according to the NYDIG executive, major names such as Bank of America and JP Morgan may be incentivized to come on board once smaller banks begin to reap the rewards of retail crypto trading adoption. Exactly. Bank of America, JP Morgan, they're going to wait to watch. They're going to wait to look. Right? Are these little guys making any money? And if it's working out for them, well, if I'm JP Morgan, I'm Bank of America. Well, I'm at scale. So if I launch this, I can safely assume, well, we're going to make some money off this thing, right? So Bank of America is one of the staunchest anti-crypto banks in the U.S. Bang! Bank of America is one of the staunchest anti-crypto banks in the U.S. Stupid. Regularly disputing the value proposition of Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. So as part of the collaboration between NYDIG and FIS, participating banks will be able to offer direct crypto trading for their customers straight from their existing accounts. So you're going to go to your bank account, and like I just said, you're going to tell your bankster, hey, I'm a worker bee. I get paid $2,000 a week, a month, or however much, man, however much. What's the example I use? $2,000 every 2 weeks. Right. So let's use that one. $2,000 every 2 weeks. Is that realistic? Yeesh, that's only $50,000 a year. But anyway, you make 50 change. But anyways, you make $2,000 every 2 weeks. You tell your bankster, look, because you get direct deposit, every time I get direct deposit, I want you to take $500 out of my $2,000 check. Maybe that's a bit much. I don't know, whatever your risk or your risk appetite is. Take $500 out of my paycheck, and bang, just automatically just put Bitcoin in. Right? That's gonna be sweet. And also, so let's also look at it from this perspective. That means that they're gonna advertise that. Right? You can't, your customers can't utilize that, can't utilize that service if they don't know it's there. So you're going to advertise on TV, aren't you?
Oh, yeah.
Well, when you advertise on TV, soccer moms and dads around the world, in this country at least, around the country, well, they're going to demand it from their banks too.
Yeah, well, I wanna buy some Bitcoin in my...
Right? You don't want to be left out. You don't want to be left behind. You want in on the game.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
So look. Banks greenlighting crypto trading could see U.S. lenders competing with platforms like Robinhood, Coinbase, and Square, among others. Well, there's not going to be any competition. Once Charles Schwab and J.P. Morgan and those boys come in here, they're going to crush that competition. There ain't going to be no competition. So as previously reported by Cointelegraph, about 9.5 million customers traded crypto on Robinhood platform in the first quarter of 2021. Indeed, NYDIG President Yan Chao said that the massive revenue being reported by the likes of Robinhood and Coinbase was the kicker for U.S. banks to set their sights on retail crypto trading. Exactly. They're seeing these guys make money. You know how banksters are. All right, they're going to watch and see, does this work? And if it works, well, boom. They come in with economies of scale. You know what I mean? Of scale. Set sights on the retail trading. So this is what Yan Chao said. He said this is not just the banks thinking that the clients want Bitcoin. They're saying we need to do this because we see the data. Like I said, they see the data. You offer this service, you have a profit margin of blah, blah, blah. This will make us money. And that's what a company is there for, is to make their shareholders money. So they're seeing deposits going to the Coinbases and Galaxies and Krakens of the world. Right. They're seeing the money going to the Coinbases and Galaxies and Krakens of the world. And Bank of America and J.P. Morgan and Citibank are saying, well, why aren't those deposits coming to us? Why aren't they coming to us?
Oh, yeah.
Straight cash, homie. So, U.S. lenders offering retail crypto trading will also constitute a 180-degree reversal on the consensus among financial institutions in the country regarding crypto. So everyone all the banksters, they hated crypto. Well, now they love it. The likes of Goldman Sachs and Morgan Stanley recently announced plans to offer Bitcoin funds to institutional clients. So bang! So look, bang! So this is something Americans, we here in America, we can look forward to. We can have our actual crypto in a bank, not on some ledger, which it's fine, but luck. Fuck all that. I want it in my bank. I can call a 1-800 number. And if any problems, which there won't be because it's a bank. So, no one's going to get you like that. And it's going to be great. So, here comes the future. The future is now. Let's move on. But, what we got? Bang. What we got? Banks. Bang. What did he like? Oh, my P.O. box. Were you going to send me something, bro? You liked my P.O. box tweet. All right. Anyways, new follower we got. Lavkush. Electrical engineer. Bang. Great stuff, brother. Brother. Bang.
Oh, yeah, miscreants.
We got Bitcoin Kong. Wow. Brother. Bang. Oh, he's got Bitcoin VeChain and SingularityNet now. Yes. Kong likes to change his little words and stuff. Yes. Brother. Bang. Radster holding down the insurgency in Prague, Eastern Europe. Brother. Bang.
Oh, yeah.
Universal Misanthrope. Yes. He's a CB News loyalist. Afghan veteran. Yes. And fellow drone strike watcher. Bang. It's a little morbid. Isn't it? Isn't it, Misanthrope? Right? That's what we watch for entertainment. That's a little morbid. Right?
Oh, yeah.
Anyways, to each his own. Love you, brother. Bah! We'll be watching some drone strikes together one day. Bam! Connecting the dots. Love with the bang! It is a little morbid. You just sit around watching guys get blown up? Yeah, for a couple hours a day. Sometimes, yeah. What is that, strange? They're miscreants.
Oh, yeah, daggone miscreants.
Yes. I watch miscreants get their asses blown away. What do you do with your spare time? Grudgeful. Anyway, let's move on. Love with the T with the bang. Robbie Hardaway, love with the T with the bang. It's true, though. Watch some miscreants get their asses blown away. That's what you get for being like that. Bitcoin Kong. What do we got? Piggy Wiggy. What's Kong talking about? CB News. What, Kong? The look never stops around these parts, brothers. That's what Kong's telling you, brothers. I hope you're all listening to Kong. He's telling you. Piggy Wiggy. Let's do it. Boo. Oh, my. Boom. That's how you do it. Look. Chiliz onboards UFC for an MMA fan token. Boom. Graysacale to sponsor New York Giants. Boom. And U.S. banks are going to allow Bitcoin trading. Oh, that's good shit right there, though. Boom. And if you guys have that good chicken in your portfolio, when smart money gets here, when the tsunami arrives, your portfolio is going to look like boom. Just like that. That's even doing one more. Piggy Wiggy. Boom. Oh, yeah. Kong. That's how we like it around these parts. Look, that's how we do around these parts. Look, let's move on, though. I got a show to do. Can't just sit there watching that all day. I'll sit there watching that for fucking 5 hours talking crazy talk. Look, let's talk about this. Funds. Let's make the world a better place.
Yes.
Let's. Love the with the bang. Yes, let's. It wouldn't hurt. What do we got here? Big time crypto. Crypto not.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, he's pulling a look at him. Look at his portfolio. He's pulling a Lorna all in downs. You know, when you come to the market late, you got to get all in, right? It's not like us. We got to buy it way back then and, you know, take our time. You got to get in the fuck right now, dog. So, look, big time crypto. Love with Zebra, though. Bang! Andrew trade up. Look. He knows. Juice daggone worth squeeze, boys. Juice worth the daggone squeeze. You tell him, Andrew. Love with Zebra, though. Bang! Beautiful brollies. Just for fuck's sakes. Not even one. How many years do I have to beg? Love lady, see you lady, bang. She's got beautiful brollies. Won't give me one. I don't know what her problem is. Probably her business isn't doing so well. I don't know what it is. What's going on? KJ Gatsby, love the see with the bang. Victor, love the see with the bang. Airdrop, son of a bitch. Look, bang, look, bang, look, bang. Got you wrong cash. Oh yeah. Got you wrong cash. One more time.
Oh yeah.
How many times are you going to do this? How many times I got to get you?
Oh yeah.
He loves the abuse. He loves the abuse. I love you so much, brother. You're the best, man. Master, node savior. Well, market master, node savior. Good friend. Been here from the beginning. One of the originals. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bang! Can't wait to really see you. Noah Fast. Or when I pick you up in my private plane, motherfucker. Bang! Oh, I'm going to pick that fucker up in my plane. All right. Sonny B, Spy Lady. Love you, lady. See you, lady. Bang!
Oh yeah. Spy lady.
Oh, yeah, she's looking. She's looking around. Oh, yeah. Look, everyone behave themselves or we're going to unleash our spy lady on you. And you don't want any of that. Bang! Love you, lady. See you, lady. Bang! Love you. Honestly, Brenda, I love you. One of the originals as well. She was the original female on this channel, actually. Technically bullish. Love with the zebra. Bang! Abundantly me. Love with the zebra and the kid. Bang! Oh, Native Warrior. Tool Master. Wow. Native Warrior. V-Chain Master. V-Chain Hodler. V-Chain Killer. For the Pasquiyaki tribe. Now, I don't know if he's a Tool Master, but his chief sure is. But look, Native Warrior, I love you too. Love the zebra, though. Bang! But he is a trend trader.
Oh yeah.
The trend is your friend. The trend is your friend. It really doesn't get much easier than that if you want to make millions. Love the zebra, though. Bang! I mean, it's not rocket science. What the fuck? Why are you still working? People. DP Entertainment. So, brother. Love the zebra, though. Bang! DP's got the soul. Got all the soul. Lorna Downs. Oh, all in Downs. That's what she said. She said, look. All right, she had her chips right here. All right, she looked at her cards. All right, she looked around at all the miscreants in the crypto room. She's like, oh, yeah.
Oh yeah.
I'm all in. Bang! Lorna all in down. She went all in. Fearlessly, and with no regret. Love you, girl. See you, girl. Can't wait to see you, girl. You're an interesting person. I want to see you. Bang! All right, she's in the art project right there. I know girls like that. I like those kind. Yes, I like those kind, you know. Know about art galleries and shit like this. All right, that's what you need when you're just all about money. You need a girl, right, who's into like flowers and art and shit, you know, and so you can take your mind off all the money, right? All right? That's how you do it. You get a little smarty pants girl into our performance art and go see that, and you know, it takes your mind off the money for a while. Look. Shashi Prakash Tiwari. Love you, brother. See you, brother. or sister. I'm not sure what language that is, so I don't know if that's a male name or a female name. But whatever you are, love you person, see you person. Bye. Adam followed me. Bye. Here's airdropper. I already killed him. Suresh followed me. Bye. Oh, we did these ones already. Farhad followed me. Bye. Habibi. Daya Chowdhury followed me. InfoSec professional and data scientist enthusiast. Trying to make internet a safe place. Oh, we did talk to this guy. Back. All right. Back. Let's get back to the back. Let's get back to the Death Star. Yes. Back to the Death Star. Oh, yeah. So we're doing back here at the Death Star. So, we had a great show for you today. Back. Yes, indeed. So, we working with Chiliz, Onboards UFC for MMA fan token. So, like I said, 2 weeks ago, I read to you the Chiliz did the fan token for that one fight, right? So they made a fan token for one fight. And I guess MMA, well, obviously they probably made some money off that. And so they said, oh, and that's right. And they also sold NFTs of that one fight, wasn't it? Right? 2 weeks ago. So Chiliz got the fan token money, and then I don't remember who did the NFT, but I'm blah blah blah. The NFT was sold on some platform somewhere, and so, but here it is. Chiliz is now the UFC official fan token provider through their website called socios.com. And like I told you guys, like this Chiliz thing, yeah, it's amazing. It's for fan interaction, what's the words they use? Yeah, fan interaction, right? Your fans get to vote on stuff. They get to win stuff. You could win a LeBron James jersey that he wore and signed, you know what I mean? So you get to actually smell LeBron James sweat on the shirt while and it's signed, right, by LeBron himself. All right. I always found that funny. People want the athlete's clothes, right? Their stinky shoes, their sweaty shirts. They pay good money for that, though. Pay good money for a sweaty LeBron shirt. And so Chiliz, they will facilitate that occurring. So look, Chiliz hodlers, bang. Go get your fucking stinky LeBron shirts. All right, but seriously, though, Chiliz hodlers, amazing. And I think Chiliz has a long way to go. I showed you their circulating supply was only like $2 billion. 2 billion of them, which means when it gets to $1, well, that's only $2 billion. And this company has a long way to go, because they've got to sew up, right, all the other sports teams in all the other countries in the world. I mean, every country has sports, and every sports has fans, and so the opportunities are endless. Really, I guess, really is what I'm trying to. Yeah, it's endless. It's endless. Even the shittiest teams in the world, like I said, yeah, they have loyal fans. Well, we'll get them next year, boys. All right. right. So, Chiliz, hodlers, bye. Let me get a sip. And then Graysacale is going to sponsor the New York Giants. And so this is more of just an all-around crypto story in that obviously when the Giants play their games and around them, they're going to have Grayscale stuff around them. And so Grayscale is obviously going to promote Bitcoin, Ethereum, blockchain in general. And the New York Giants, while not the best team in the world, they're a little mediocre. I'm not going to bullshit you. They lost Eli Manning. Yeah. Anyway, we're not going to get into the whole thing, though, but it's New York. And so you have to think of the fan base is huge. When the New York Giants play football, they get put on the major networks, you know what I mean? And so let's look at it just from an advertising marketing perspective. When the New York Giants play their games, well, obviously, blah, 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 sponsored by Grayscale, or blah, 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 Grayscale commercials will show, and that's going to give a wider, how do you say this? They get out to a wider market, right? So, for instance, a team like the San Diego Chargers, that's a small market team. You're going to advertise to San Diegans and maybe Californians at best. Well, California is big, but, if you're an LA team, that's huge. And so, but being a New York team, biggest city in the world, they always get pushed up to, their games always get pushed into prime time. And so when Grayscale starts advertising during the games, people are going to see those advertisements. Okay. So this is a good way to say it. Sorry. So let me say it this way. Grayscale can piggyback. So here's Grayscale. Here's the Giants. They can piggyback off of just the general marketing power of being with a New York sports team. You see what I'm saying? Right? Like if Grayscale was with, the Jacksonville Jaguars, no one's going to see that. Nobody watches those games. Nobody watches that shit. Whereas with the Giants, everyone watches. You get it? So they piggybacked off the best of the American NFL. Well, not the best. I mean, you could also make an argument for the Dallas Cowboys, or any team out of LA. But for now, that's great. New York. And this is going to bring soccer mom and dad who watch sports games. Now let's get to the fans. Let's take it down a level. Let's get to the human level of it. Wow. Fans, people, humans, Homo sapiens, earthlings. A lot of earthlings, at least American ones, watch these games. And so they're going to see these advertisements. And a few of them will get smart and check into it. And a few of those ones that actually were smart will actually do it. And so, bang! All right, so that's what that's about. So what are you saying, Shomari? So I guess what I'm saying is this is just great for cryptocurrency industry in general, right? Just in general. Yes, of course, Grayscale, it's going to be profitable for them. The Giants, or whatever, they get a sponsor. But for us, you and I, the actual investors in this space, this helps us out because it gets it out to soccer mom and dad, which brings more money in, which brings new demand, which drives prices up. Bang! And finally, holy, this shit right here. U.S. banks to allow trading in Bitcoin by the end of the year. And so it was one bank saying it. So, obviously they're in the industry, so they know what their competition is up to, right? So that's why I read this story. And this is it. Like when soccer mom and dad see that Bitcoin, it's not just some shit they're seeing on their TV or some shit that their teenage daughter told them about, but they see that it's actually offered by their fucking bank. You know what I'm saying? Wow. It doesn't get more legit than that. And then obviously you expand from there. Well, I got Bitcoin. What else can I get? Right? I mean, if you're smart. which half the country is, ish, And so, great, outstanding. And like I said, just personally from the owners of, you guys know I have 2.5 Bitcoin. Not many. I only have 2.5 of them, but yeah, I'd love to be able to throw them in my bank. Yeah, fucking right. Any problems? All right, give me my money back. You know what I mean? Like, yeah, Shomari, you could be your own bank. Fuck the banksters. No, not fuck the banksters. I don't want to be my own bank. You fucking idiot. For what? For what? Why would I want to be my own bank? That's why we hire those idiots to watch our money for us. I want customer service. You know what I'm saying? Like, I want customer service, you fucking idiot. I live in South Beach. We're about customer service. You slide a man $50, you'll get the service you need. So anyways, so this is great for us, for crypto, and like even Justin Williams, one of our brothers, Justin Williams, he said it a couple of years ago. He talked about it. He said, you're going to have crypto in your bank account. I mean, that's not rocket science, but here it is. Here it comes. Holy, what I'm waiting for is let me just put my VeChain all up in there and bang, super safe. Get them off these fucking ledgers. All right, so that's good enough. Is it good enough? That's good enough. Let's shill it. Let's kill it. Let's get you back to your wives, bang, and lives. So subscribe below, press the bell. You get an automatic notification when I do the show. The greatest show on earth, bang, greatest show in the multiverse. Look, my name's Shomari Clarke, love talking money. Bang, love talking crypto. Bang, this is the favorite time of my day. So thank you for having me in your home. And seriously, I will see you guys all tomorrow for another great day of Crypto Talk. So until then, subscribe here and press the bell. Then watch that video there, greatest in the multiverse, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Love you guys. My name's Shomari Clarke, and look, I am always on duty. Bye. Yes. Over and out.